Hello guys, welcome to Civic Clouds. My name is Vishal Mankar and today we are going to understand the third trigger scenario of our English trigger playlist. Okay, so let's understand what is the requirement. So here the requirement is whenever a new record is created into account object, before this new record is inserted into account, we have to delete all the contacts records with this account name. So let's start. First log into the Salesforce. Here first I will explain you what is the requirement. Let's open the Sales app so that we can see all the tabs here. Okay, so just imagine we have two contacts with the same name. Let's say we have the two contacts with the same name like Vishan Manko 123 and we are inserting account with the same name. Okay, then before that account record is inserted, these two records will get deleted. Why? Because it has the same contact name. That's why. So let's write the trigger for that. Open the developer console, click on file. Let me cross this. Click on file, new, and apex trigger. We will give our apex trigger name, that is account trigger 3, and we will select object as account. Why? Because we have to fire this trigger on account object. Okay, so here the most important thing is to select an event. We will select event as a before insert. Why? Because as per the requirement, before inserting the record, we have to find the contacts with the same account name and we have to delete them. That's why. So as a best practice, we will write here as trigger dot is before and trigger dot is insert. Okay. So before insertion of account, it will execute whatever will code here write or we call any handler class, it will execute that handler class. So let's create a handler class. Click on file, new, and apex class. We will give the handler class name, that is account trigger handler 3. We will create the method inside this class. Wait, delete contacts. We will save this class. Here we will write whatever the logic we have to execute after insertion of an account. We will call this method. So class name dot whatever the method name is here, method name, semicolon. So here we will pass the trigger dot new. Why? Because in the trigger dot new, whatever the records we are gonna insert, it will come into the trigger dot new. So trigger dot new means list of accounts. So here we will catch the list of accounts, and the list name would be ACC list. So as a best practice, we will check if ACC list should not be empty. Save it. Okay, so inside this curly braces we will write whatever the logic we have to execute. First we will take all the account names. Okay, so let's loop over the accounts that we are going to insert, account AC and ACC list. Okay, and we will take all the account name into a set. So let's create a set of string. Why? Because account name is of string. Okay, we will store all the accounts name into this set ac.name. Okay, so in acc name set we got the all the account names. So now we will find the all the contacts with the same account name. So here we will take the query on the contact, select id name from contact where name in acc name. So what it will take? It will take all the contacts in the Salesforce or in our org with the account names. We will put the limit also. Okay, and before delete we will check if the condition is empty or not. This dot is empty, not That means con list have some records to delete, and we will delete the con list. That's it. Here our Apex code is completed and our trigger is also saved. Okay, so let's test our changes. Let me refresh it. Okay, so as you know that we have the two contacts with the same name. Okay, I will click on new. I will create a different account for now. Let me create an account with test123. Let me check if I have any contact with test123 name. Here I don't have any contact with the test123. So let me try to insert this account. Okay, so here the account get inserted. Okay, and nothing will happen. But if I check here, I have the two contacts with the same name. Okay, let me find here. Here I have two contacts with the same name, and let me insert an account with the same contact name. So before insertion of this account, it will delete the both contacts. Let me run again. See, no data exported. That means these contacts are deleted. So our trigger is completed. We have successfully tested all the changes and the test cases. Okay, so that's it for this video. And if you like my video, please give the thumbs up and like, share and comment in this video. And please join all the social media platforms that I provided the links into the description of this video. And please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much, guys.